Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Y'all want to see my Christmas mug collection? I did have a subscriber say that she wanted to see my mug collection, my coffee mug collection. And I said, okay, well, I thought might be fun for some people is if I broke it out, because I do have Christmas mugs and then I have regular coffee mugs. Now, my regular coffee mugs, there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of these too, but there's more of the regular coffee mugs. So let's just get into it. I'll just show you real quick, and I'll try to remember where they came from. Typically, I do try to get a lot of things thrifted. As some of you may know, I am cheap, and I do a lot of thrifting. But this one actually came from Hobby Lobby, and I think I got this last year. It is, I will tell you, for the purposes of drinking coffee, it just this little lip thing, it's really not that right, but it sure is cute on a shelf. I really love that. Anyway, oh, and by the way, if you're new here, welcome. I'm terrible for that. I love this mug. In fact, I might drink my afternoon coffee in this mug. The feel of the mug, the weight of the mug, and just the fact that it's just like, I don't know if this is supposed to look like linen or what, but it's just unusual. It was different. And I just like this mug. So I may, like I said, I might drink out of this mug this afternoon. I believe this one came from Ross's Dress for Less. A couple of years. Been having that a few years. This is a Dollar Tree mug. Yeah, that's where that one came from. Dollar Tree mug. This one, where Hobby Lobby, maybe, cute little frosty. These are my favorite Spectrums. Spectrum designs were my favorite. Spectrum used to be sold at Tuesday Morning. It's where I'd get all these mugs from, and I absolutely love this company. It's one of my favorites. So, yep, like that one a lot. I had another one. Y'all, I had another one that said something else. I bet somebody broke it and they didn't tell me. This one I got TJ Maxx. Believe so. Believe TJ Maxx. Ho, ho, ho. Any cute? This was a gift. The Polar Express was a gift. This is a very heavy mug. Little gnome moment here. I'm not too much into the gnomes, but I think this one came from Dollar General. I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think. This is a Spectrum. It's very large. This one's very large. Very different colors for Christmas. You know, not your traditional colors for Christmas, but it came from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, that one came from Hobby Lobby. This, I don't know if I'm going to remember where this came from. Love this mug, though. I do love him. The weight of him. Now, this one's not very practical, but oh, I think it's so cute. Isn't she pretty? I like her a lot. I do like her a lot. And then if you I have another one, but it's in the dishwasher right now. It was my post this morning. It's a Santa Claus. I just got him the other day. Got him from, where was I at? TJ Maxx. Yep, TJ Maxx. Anyway, just be on the lookout, because every Saturday morning I post a hashtag mugshot, and it's my way of saying good morning to my crafty friends, and that I hope y'all have a great crafty weekend. So that's every Saturday morning. I try to post a mug, and if it's not a mug, it'll be a meme of some kind that I create in relation to coffee and how important coffee is to me. So anyway, I really do appreciate y'all stopping by. And like I said, if you enjoyed this video, let me know, because my intention is to do another one with just my regular coffee mugs, and there's a lot more of those. Anyway, guys, I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I had sharing these little Christmas coffee mug collection with you guys. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.